Vegan Laksa. Prepare the ingredients. Thinly slice 1 red chilli. Cut the florets off the broccoli. Finely slice 1 onion. Trim the ends of a handful of beans. Chop the beans in half. Slice 2 carrots into small pieces. Peel the string off a handful of snow peas. Cut 2 bok choy into pieces, lengthways. Cut 1 lemongrass stalk into pieces. Cut 300 grams of tofu into cubes. Pour boiling water over 300 grams of rice noodles. Heat a wok over a high heat, add the onions and the red Thai chilli paste. Add 1 tablespoon of Malaysian curry powder. Stir over a high heat for 2 minutes. Add the homemade coconut milk. Add the chopped lemongrass. Add the cubes of tofu. Add 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 3 cups of water or vegetable stock. Add the chopped carrots. Bring to the boil, add the broccoli florets. Add the sweet peas and the beans and cook for 2 minutes. Add the bok choy and stir. Add the drained brown rice noodles and mix well. Add shredded kaffir lime leaves and serve topped with bean sprouts, chilli and cilantro.